Well, looks like Jim's getting in the Halloween spirit a little bit early.
We planted these pumpkins, several weeks ago. And if you don't want to cut up your pumpkin to make your jack-o'-lantern, you may want to try a little experiment like we're trying here. Now, if you look on this pumpkin, you see where it's been scarred. It's been scratched a couple of times, and it's healing over with some scar material. So what I'm doing is I'm drawing out the outline of the jack-o'-lantern face, and I'm just scratching at the surface, and I'm bruising it, wounding it, and it will heal in with the scar-like tissue. So you can do that put your eyes, nose, and mouth on the surface. It'll heal. That way it'll keep for quite a long time as a display. Once you cut the jack-o'-lantern, of course, it starts to rot immediately, but this way you can decorate it, not cut into it, and so it will stay for quite some time. You can also do interesting things for the kids, like writing their name on the pumpkin. Now this one I'm making for my son Jeffrey, so once I get done down there, I'm going to put his name up on top here. We've got some other pumpkins. Make one for Corey, for Sue's little girl. So if you got some pumpkins growing, you may want to try this. It's a kind of a neat experiment, something that's fun for the kids.
We hope you've enjoyed this classic from the Oklahoma Gardening Vault. Remember, even though these tips and techniques are timeless, there's always something new to learn in the world of gardening. By subscribing to both Oklahoma Gardening and OK Gardening Classics, you'll have access to a wealth of gardening knowledge, both classic and contemporary.